Welcome to English Studs. Today I am back here with a very simple but important topic, that is sentences. The basic of English speaking, reading and writing. So, let's know what a sentence is and its different kinds. What is a sentence? A sentence is basically a group of words with at least one finite verb that makes complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. As you all know, that I am is the shortest but complete sentence in English. Now we come to a few basic examples here. As you can see, Harshit is the best athlete. Hooray! He won the gold medal. He loves fish tacos. We had a three-course meal. Sentences are divided into four kinds: declarative, that tells something; exclamatory, expresses strong feeling; interrogative, asks questions; and imperative, they give either a command, request, advice, or a suggestion. Coming to the assertive or declarative sentence. An assertive or declarative sentence says or states something. We put a full stop at the end of an assertive sentence. Remember, assertive sentences are of two types. We have the affirmative or the positive sentence and the negative sentence. Example of affirmative or positive: the fox looked at the piece of cheese. Negative sentence, of course, it includes the word not or no or never. For example, the fox did not like it. Coming to the next kind, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. We put a mark of interrogation at the end of an interrogative sentence. In an interrogative sentence, the auxiliary verb is placed before the subject. Examples: have they gone away? Which of these clubs would you like to join? Here we see that the auxiliary verb in the first sentence, that is have, is put before the subject they. In the second, of course, we have the WH question, which is also put before the subject. Imperative sentences are those sentences which express a command or an order, an instruction, a request, or an advice. Examples, as you can see: keep off the grass, it's a command; put this notice on the notice board, an instruction; pass me the sugar please, request; do your homework regularly, advice. Imperative sentences also end with a full stop. The last kind is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses some strong feeling. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Example: how beautiful the butterfly is. What a nuisance it is. Remember, the verb always is at the end of the sentence. Now coming to the next portion, question tag. What are they? These are short questions which are put at the end of the assertive sentences. Are you, was she, mustn't, won't she, all these are question tags. A question tag is actually a short question which is placed at the end of a statement, usually in informal English. A question tag is used to get a statement confirmed. Remember, a positive statement always has a negative question tag. Negative statement has a positive question tag. No change of tense takes place. Auxiliary in a statement, if there is present, it is also repeated in the tag. If there is no auxiliary, then we begin the statement, the question, with do, does, did in the tag according to the tense of the verb. If I am is there, then the question tag becomes aren't I. In positive commands, the tag is will you or won't you. Negative commands, the tag is will you. And sentences which are having let us, here the question tag is shall we. Here we have a number of examples to make it more clear. We are proud of her, aren't we? You haven't learned painting in any school, have you? Madhu is proud, isn't she? I am right, aren't I? Please come in, won't you? Let us wait for the rain to stop, shall we? So here, all the rules which are explained in the first slide previous to this, the examples clearly point out and explain to this fact. Now that we have already completed, we can do a little bit of exercise relating to the question tags as well as the different kinds of sentences. Hope you will enjoy this video and you will surely be able to understand it clearly. Bye for now. Keep watching for more videos of mine. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.